Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check notifications on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to check your notifications, just go to the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the 3 line. Here you can find the 5th option, the notification. Go that, and here you can find the latest notification and you can check the info about that. Just click to the next arrow, and if you click to the show me more blue option, you can read the info. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.